G'day, Carl here, Truck Trader Dealer of the Day. Here we are today at Turners Trucks and Machinery at 57 Lunds Road in Middleton, Christchurch. Okay, today here we're looking over a rather special rig. We have here a 2016 International Lonestar 6x4 tracked unit. This rig has truly had the custom owner driver touch added to it, however hiding under the custom treatment is a solid working spec that will keep the bookkeeper happy. Up front under the distinctive Lonestar hood is the proven Cummins ISX15 set at just on 565 horsepower, producing 2,050 foot-pound of torque. Mated up to this is the Road Ranger RTLO 20918B manual transmission with Meritor 46160 GP diffs at the rear, running 4:1 ratio, sitting on 275 22.5s. The custom touches added to this rig have been carried out with a keen eye for detail, from the silverback chrome bullhorn curve exhaust tips through to the oversized stainless steel diesel tank straps and painted tanks. No stone has been left unturned, including custom stainless steel drop visor. This is a rig with a very unique look all of its own on New Zealand roads, one that would fit right in at the Iowa 80 truck show back in the United States. The interior is also decked out with twin high back air ride seats and full Lonestar trim package. This certainly is a rig that painted in your fleet colours will quickly become the flagship, a real head turner on the road and in front of your clients. So for more details on this truck and to arrange a test drive, give the team here at Turners in Christchurch a call right now. And many thanks for calling by to look at this listing. And until next time, safe roads.